बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, today we are going to restart IPR 2. As you know, in the previous lesson we have completed writing series 1. Okay, writing series 1 हमने complete कर ली है. Now we are going to restart IPR 2 and we have revised or some of the phonograms from this book. So first of all we are going to revise the sounds of those phonograms, then we will start today's lesson. So let's start reading sounds with me. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, ao, o, u, a, o. Is it clear, students? We have covered these phonograms in detail from IPR 2. Today we are going to do the sounds of or this phonogram. Yes. Can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good. It has 3 sounds. Okay. How many sounds? 3 sounds. First one, ch, k, sh, ch, k, sh, ch, k, sh. Is it clear, students? So let's have a look for some of the examples for this sound, for this phonogram, and then we will start our lesson properly. Okay, my dear students, have a look for some of the words having CH phonogram and try to read the words. Can you read it, students? Yes. Cheap, cheap, chew, chew, chemist, chemist, chef, chef. Have you guessed the sound numbers? How many sounds does this phonogram have? 3 sounds. What are the sounds? Ch, k, sh, ch, k, sh, ch as in cheap, ch as in chew, k as in chemist, sh as in chef. In this way words will come in your paper and you will read the words and you will guess the sound number. Okay, as first word it's cheap, cheap. What is the sound number? Sound number will be 1. Yes, cheap. Next one, chew. Sound number 1. Chew, chew. Next one, chemist, chemist. Sound number will be 2. K, chemist, k, chemist. Is it clear? And the last word is sh, chef, sh, chef. Sound number 3. Is it clear, students? In this way, in your paper, words will come and you will read the word and you will guess the sound numbers. Clear, students? Now come towards IPR 2 and let's start reading. Okay, my dear students, you have to turn on page number 24 from IPR 2 and we are going to start reading from here. Okay, students, let's start reading from here. Side by side, you will look at the pictures carefully. Champion will chill the cans. Champion will chill the cans. Look at the picture. What is the meaning of this sentence? Champions are the people who win the game. Okay, so after winning the game they will enjoy and they will chill the cans. Okay, so phonogram having red color have sound number 1. Clear? Next one, this man is rich. This man is rich. As you can see in the picture, the man has a lot of money, that's why he is rich. Clear? Next one, teacher will check the work. Teacher will check the work. Ch sound, sound number 1. China and Pakistan are friends. China and Pakistan are friends. As you can see in the picture, I like chicken. I like chicken. as you can see in the picture. Ch. Okay, sound number 1. Red color for sound number 1. Red color for sound number 1. Very good. You will read the sentences 5 times. Come towards next page. Okay, now you can see green color. The words having green color, sound number will be 2. Green color for sound number 2. What is the second sound of this phonogram? K. Yes, let's start reading. Chemistry is difficult. Chemistry is difficult. Look at the picture. Chemistry is a subject, okay, as English, math, science. So chemistry is also a subject. Next one. I have stomach ache. I have stomach ache. Stomach ache. Okay, as you can see the picture, ache means pain. Pain of stomach. Is it clear? Green color for sound number 2. Next one. Chemist sells chemicals. Chemist sells chemicals. Look at the picture carefully. Okay, students. Now, blue color for sound number 3. What is the third sound of this phonogram? Shh. He landed his parachute in Chicago. He landed his parachute in Chicago. Parachute. Look at the picture. Chicago. It's a American state. Okay. It's the city of America. Next one. Chef is working on machine. Chef is working on machine. Look at the picture. Sound number 3. Red color for sound number 1. Green color for sound number 2. And blue color for sound number 3. You will read the sentences 5 times. Now come towards next page. Okay, my dear students, here on page number 26, a paragraph is given with the title of the paragraph, Rich works on ranch. Rich works on ranch. You know what is the meaning of ranch? Ranch is a place where farmers keep the animals and feed them. Okay? किसान एनिमल्स को जिस जगह पे रखते हैं और वहाँ पे उनकी लुक आफ्टर करते हैं, दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड रेंच. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, रिच वर्क्स ऑन रेंच. लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द पैराग्राफ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट रीडिंग विद मी. As you can see, all the words having this phonogram have red color, so sound number will be 1. Keep in your mind. Let's start. Rich is a good boy. Rich is a good boy. He lives and works on a big ranch. Okay, Rich is the name of the boy and he works on a big ranch. Okay, ranch means the place where farmers keep the animals and feed them. Okay, there is much work to do. There is much work to do. Much means a lot of work, means there is a lot of work to do there. He had to check on the cows every day. He has to check on the cows every day. Okay students, means he has to look after the cows carefully. He has to make sure they have bunches of hay to eat. Hay mean dry grass. Okay, animals के खाने को hay बोलते हैं. He has to make sure they have bunches of hay to eat. Bunches mean a lot of hay. ठीक है, उसको ये चेक करना है कि cows के पास खाना पूरा है या नहीं है. He has to make sure they have bunches of hay to eat. Hay, dry grass. Okay, animals food. He has to make sure they have water to quench their thirst. To quench means satisfy their thirst, fulfill their thirst. Okay, for example, you are feeling very thirsty and now you have drinking the glass of water. Now you have quenched your thirst. Okay, quench mean अपनी प्यास को बुझा लेना. He has to make sure they have water to quench their thirst. Okay, he has to make sure they do not get cold or lost on the big ranch. Clear? He has to make sure they do not get cold or lost on the big ranch. Is it clear students? So you will read the words having this phonogram: rich, ranch, much, check, bunches, quench, ranch. Yes, you will enlist all the words having first sound and you will read the paragraph 5 times. Now come to our worksheet. Okay my dear students, it's a worksheet for the phonogram ch, k, sh. First of all, you will mark today's date and let's start reading the words given in the box. Look at the pictures carefully. Cheese, cheese. Stomach, stomach. Chef, chef. Sound number 1, sound number 2, sound number 3. Very good. Now what we are going to do? We are going to read, match and rewrite ch words. Okay, first of all we will read the given words carefully. Look at this. Chew, chew. Cheap. Sound number 1 in both the words. Stomach, stomach. Sound number 2 k. Chain, chain. Sound number 1. School, school. Sound number 2. Torch, torch. Sound number 1. Yes, we will match the same words and then we will rewrite here. Now come towards next activity. What we are going to do in this activity? Color the ch, k, sh words phonogram. Red for first, green for second and blue for third. Okay, we will check it. Let's start reading. Chain, chain. Sound number 1. Very good. Red color. Teach. Sound number 1 for red color. Chef, chef. Sound number 3. Very good. Blue color. Chemist. Sound number 2. Green color. Okay, next one. Our last activity. Make ch, k, sh words and write them with the help of pictures. Look at the picture. We will write phonogram. It's chocolate, chocolate. Look at the picture. Child, child. Look at the picture. Ache, ache. Ache means pain. And the last one, look at the picture. Torch, torch. Clear? Now we will solve the worksheet by using lead pencil. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will solve the activity. You will write 2 times. I have written 1 time. You will write 2 times. Then you will do the color. Okay, and you can underline also. Then you will fill the blanks by using ch phonogram and you will practice the sound numbers by heart. आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से practice करनी है sound numbers की and you will read all the sentences and paragraphs 5 times. Okay, we will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.